We are currently live from Portland, Oregon, but today's video will take place in a different location. Today, I'm traveling a bit north to Seattle, Washington. And the reason for that is because I got some friends over there that say I should come check out the Amazon Go store. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We are here live in Seattle, Washington. I need to figure out where exactly I need to go. We're gonna go find our buddy Aaron, and we're gonna make our way to the Amazon Go store. I swear these steep roads are only on the West Coast, man. Never.
East Coast don't have it.
You would never see this on the East Coast. All right, we are pretty close to Pike's Place. Meet up with Aaron now. Oh, still looking for Aaron. Found Aaron. Say hi, Aaron.
Hi.
Hey. Okay, so remind me how to pronounce this place again.
Hiroshi.
Oh, it's the same word twice. I just realized that.
I think you need to roll your R's though, but I can't do that.
It's like a Russian R.
I think it's a Russian.
Hiroshi. Hiroshi. Something like that.
Savory or sweet?
Marzipan. Would you recommend it over the apple cinnamon roll and the cinnamon cardamom
I
bread?
mean, if you can't decide, get all three, guys.
Let's get to marzipan roll and the cinnamon.
Making the sound,
She
man.
knows. She knows. This one here.
Yes.
Cinnamon bread. I prefer. This place is so like high profile that you got people taking photos with their iPads out here. Just follow the gum. I think. Oh, I just got some off the wall too. No, I got some in my bag. I want to see the ones where they get artsy and like start spelling stuff or making murals. I should feel gross for walking on this.
Cash way. There's like a theater, and so you couldn't go into the theater with gum, so people would just start sticking on the wall.
Interesting.
And that's how this wall became.
We're here at the Amazon Go store. We finally got here. We're checking out the city earlier, but we're really excited to see what we can get inside. So for those who aren't already aware, the way the Amazon Go store works is that you go inside, you swipe your phone. There's a little barcode on the Amazon Go app that you use to check into the store. And if you look up, once you go inside, you should see a ton of cameras and sensors inside, and that's actually tracking you as you walk throughout the store. What it does is that as you pick up items, as you walk around the store and put items in your shopping bag, all adds it to your cart. It can detect when you pick an item off the shelf, when you put it back, the use of Bluetooth, remote sensing, infrared sensing. Once you have all the items that you need, you simply walk out the store and everything gets charged to you. Let's check it out. This is the Amazon Go app. You can see I got a little barcode here. I'm gonna scan myself in. See a lot of boxes and a lot of wires. I have no idea what any of these are doing right now, but what I can tell you for certain is that they're actively tracking us as we walk throughout the store. And let's see if we can find something of interest that we can take out of here. Let's see some drinks. Let's check out over here.
Oh, this is a good chocolate. This is
a good chocolate.
This is this Washington-based company.
Pick this up. This is in my cart right now. It's in my cart. Does it say anything on the app if it goes into my cart? So it's not answering anything on the cart, but I do have the chocolate. This is a sea salt dark chocolate from Amazon themselves, local to Seattle.
I think maybe give it a little, I don't know.
I don't have like a cart or bag or anything. I'm just like...
You can like put it in your pocket.
Do I want to do that?
Yeah.
Does it matter?
No, like it already knows you have it.
So I can just...
Yeah.
Just slide
well,
it.
where else are you gonna put it?
You gotta put it. Man. So like, what would you say is like the most sophisticated thing going on in this store right now that you're like allowed to tell me?
Well, I can tell you that through the system you're being tracked around the store right now and seeing through sensors and cameras, seeing what you pick up and what you put back.
Because like I just picked up this chocolate bar right here, and like I just slide it in my pocket, like
perfect.
Completely on the screen. It's just fine.
Yeah.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
Can I get one of these bags in?
If you would like to have a bag, you just push that, hit add. It's all yours.
Wow. Okay. Cool. Thank
That
you,
only
gentlemen.
works when you're inside the store.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
But other than that, the phone's probably not doing much for you while you're walking around.
All right, well, I appreciate it.
Yeah. Thank you.
So if I pick up this double shot of espresso, right, and I'll hold on to it, walk around for a little bit. And
You should try putting something in your bag like really quick and see if it scans it, you know?
Okay, let's try that.
The ginger, there was a turmeric one that's really cool. Raspberry dark. Just like,
Yeah.
and if I pick something up, it will like charge you.
I'm
Okay.
actually not thirsty. I don't want this double shot of espresso, so I'm gonna put it there. Alright, so now we're gonna see what happens with that. You want from Amazon Go? What
I'm actually
about,
kind of thirsty.
You're kind of
Are
thirsty?
you
You want a
thirsty?
drink?
Yeah.
You want a Gatorade?
Let's go back to the drinks.
Keeping my distance to see if it'll track. Alright, we'll step out the store
We're just gonna,
and see what happens.
okay,
So we exit through here.
just walk back on the streets.
Alright, so we're outside the store now. We got our goodies here. We got to keep the bag, which is pretty cool. Got our candy bars here. We got Aaron's little, is this a soda? Yeah, natural soda. And the Oreo Thins Bites. And I don't know how long it takes for us to get charged. Since my trip time is pending, it might not think I left the store yet. Let's see receipts today. 554 pending charges. I can't see what it's charging me for yet. Yeah, it knows that I went in, it knows that, but it's not showing me what I bought yet, so we might have to give it some time. We'll come back to that then. All right, so it's showing here that it says thanks for visiting instead of pending purchase, so I'm assuming that it's finished now. Can I see what I bought? I don't think it's gonna let me
Pending
do it.
charges. Oh, there we go.
Oh, here we go. 5 items. Oh, 5 items.
Did you get 5 items?
It counted
Oh,
the
the
bag. It
bag.
got the first candy bar, it got the second one, the Oreos and the soda and the bag. They did it. They got every item 1 for 1. Okay, Amazon, I see it. I see it. Congratulations to them. Try to fake them, try to pull a fast one, but they know their stuff. Them sensors up there, they know what they're doing.
How do you think this is going to affect the future of grocery going in stores?
Well, I could definitely see many retailers opting in for systems like this. Of course, it's quite an expensive investment for startup, but going forward, you no longer have to have employees and retail clerks essentially, which is a major cost saver first and foremost. And especially things like that can, if you have to scan yourself in and check into the store, and then the store itself just monitors you, as you saw just now, it did everything it could to prevent theft. Not a single person followed me, and they got all the items that I was looking for, right? So I can't be overcharged for anything, and if I try to swipe something and leave, I'm still gonna get charged for that. So I can definitely see the benefits of a system like this. It would just definitely take some time to get started, just because you have to have so much sophisticated technology installed throughout the entire store to get something that's going. Like as you saw inside the store, it's pretty small on the inside, right? So if you think about a Walmart or a Target, installing all this stuff, it's not gonna be that easy, especially when you have the ceiling that's only about 8 to 9 feet high, as opposed to one that's 20 to 30 feet high that you see in most superstores. So, you know, something like this, while it's only in Seattle now and maybe a couple other cities, I can definitely see it rolling out. Probably within the next 3 years, we'll see it more commonplace for Amazon Go specifically, and then maybe other retailers will adapt this technology in the next 6 to 8 years. I've returned from Seattle and I've had some time to think about really where Amazon Go could go in the future. It introduces an extraordinary level of convenience to anybody who already has an Amazon account, which most people probably already fall under that category. I think what Amazon and anyone else for that matter who wants to adopt this system needs to take into account is not car traffic, but actually pedestrian traffic. Because if you think about it, a lot of people are going to be going in between point A and point B. So an Amazon Go store is a perfect setup in between the departure location and the destination to place somewhere where anybody can just walk in, grab a breakfast if they're running late, grab a quick 5-hour energy, pick me up, or just a snack, depending on, you know, going to the airport or whatnot. That's going to be key in this, I want to call it a technology, but really you could call it even a business model. That's going to be a key factor in determining how well a infrastructure like this takes off. From my experience alone, I would easily do this a second time. I would easily do this a third time and a fourth time. I would even make this part of my day if I could. I'm excited to see where this goes in the future and how it develops. Do you think Amazon Go is going to be a one-hit wonder, or it's going to take over grocery shopping as we know it? Let me know in a comment below. Or if you've been to the Amazon Go store, let me know how your experience was. Till next time, this is PC, signing off.